In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to customize your Shopify store, whether you're using the Origin theme or something similar. The best part? You won't need to write a single line of code. We'll make use of the built-in tools that Shopify offers to help you make impactful changes quickly and with minimal risk. Let's kick things off with an important precautionary step. Before you dive into customizing your store, it's crucial to duplicate your theme first. To do this, go to your Shopify admin, then navigate to Online Store and head over to Themes. Once you're there, look at the theme that's currently live on your store and click on Actions, then Duplicate. By creating a duplicate, you'll ensure that your customers won't see any changes until you're ready. You'll be able to experiment freely without worrying about breaking your live store. Once you've got your duplicate theme set up, we'll move on to utilizing the theme editor. Still in your Shopify admin, under Online Store, go back to Themes. Now, rather than the live theme, choose Customize on the duplicate theme. This will open up a world of possibilities in terms of customization. You'll be presented with a live preview on one side and a sidebar on the other that contains various sections, blocks, and settings you can play around with. Now, let's delve into changing your global styles. Under the theme settings, or a similarly labeled tab, you'll have the chance to adjust colors, fonts, typography, and spacing. These are crucial as they affect the entirety of your site. Do you want your headings to pop with a bold font, or perhaps the body text to be a bit more understated? Maybe the link colors need some sprucing up. This is the place to do it. Additionally, swapping out your logo for a new design can make a world of difference in your site's branding. Moving on, we'll tackle the homepage sections. Head back to your theme editor and locate the template for your homepage. By choosing Add section, you can insert elements such as banners, featured products, testimonials, and more. Don't hesitate to drag these sections up or down to reorder them until your homepage looks just right. And if there's something you don't need, simply hide or remove that section. Next up, it's time to update your header and footer via the settings or the editor. By going to Customize and opening the header section, you can make changes to your menu, swap out the logo, update icons like the cart and search, and even change the background color if the theme permits. Similarly, when you head over to the footer section, you have the ability to add or remove link menus, update social icons, integrate a newsletter sign-up, or adjust payment icons. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now got the know-how to customize your Shopify store quickly and efficiently, all without knowing how to code. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to give your store a fresh new look the no-code way.